whānau ko Nanny Kupu tēnei. Nau mai hara mai koutou ki tēnei raurangi o Turanga nui a Kiwa. Oh look, you caught me having my morning cup of tea. I just thought I'd pop into the studio while my mokopuna ruanuku, the Wiz, has gone to the shop to get me some milk. Look, I just want to say a big thank you to all those people who tune in to the breakfast show at 6:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. for Te Kupu o Te Wiki. Yes, all these wonderful words I'm giving to you to learn, and of course, and the different phrases that go along with it. I've got to say a big kia ora to Te Taurawhiri for their wonderful resources, and you can actually go to their website, which is www.tetaurawhiri.govt.nz, and you can have a look at their resources that they have for you to learn Te Reo Māori. Ka pai? And if you missed the program at 6:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. weekdays, you can go to our website, which is www.turangafmmedia.com. Ai, koena. That's the website. So I just want to say a big thank you, and you enjoy the rest of your day. Kei te tiro ki waho nei. Ko tai mai taku mokopona the Wiz. Ka ki te whānau, he pai tō kupu. Kia ora.
Te Kupu o Te Wiki, proudly brought to you by Te Taurawhiri and Turanga FM.